Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. Again, it's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And so for today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys 5 songs that you can play with only the chords G major, D major, and the A major with the help of our trusted Capo. All reliable Capo right here. Before we get into the video, I'd just like to teach you guys how to play these chords. And first up is going to be the G major chord. It's going to be this one right here. And that is going to be this chord shape. It's going to be like that. And that is going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. G major chord. Next up is going to be the D major chord. It's going to be this one right here. It's going to be dead strings for the lower E string and the A string with the use of our thumb, but just letting it rest there, not pressing on it to create that dead sound. That's going to be open, 2, 3, 2. Very cool. And lastly, it's going to be the A major chord. It's going to be like this. Once again, using our thumb to mute the lower E string. And it's going to be the A string with an open string. It's going to be 2, 2, 2, then open. Yep, G major chord, D major chord, and the A major chord. Those 3 chords with help of our Capo. We're going to be learning 5 songs. One of them is going to be using no capos at all, and one of them is going to be using a capo on the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and the 4th fret, making those 5 songs in total. So before we begin, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. If you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. You can also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, that said, enjoy the video. It just takes some time, little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. A touch of your hand says you'll catch me if ever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Late night watching television, but how we get in this position, it's way too soon. I know this isn't love, and I need to tell you something. I really like you, and I want you. Do you want me? Do you want me to? I really like you, and I want you. Do you want me? Do you want me to? Oh, did I say too much? I'm so in my head when we're out of touch. I really like you, and I want you. Do you want me? Do you want me to? Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you are my friend when I'm in need, lady. I really like you, and I want you. Do you want me? Do you want me